how to get voice chat in Roblox without ID. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will show you how you will be able to add or allow your Roblox to have audio voice chat without any verification. So simply go to your settings over here on your Roblox. As you can see here in my privacy, currently I only have camera input, but to be able to get the audio, you're simply going to go to your account info and you're going to verify everything that you are seeing over here. You're going to add your email address and your phone number. After verifying your email address and phone number, of course I'm not going to show it right now, but after you verify that, if you go back to your privacy, another option should be available over here, which will be the mic, and there will be an indication that your Roblox is allowing or available for using the microphone. So that's basically it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.